Hello, I'm Miles of Nunhead, and this is, oh my goodness! And as I was saying before I was charged down, I'm Miles of Nunhead from Young Titans, and this is Ariana,
the New Forest Knights.
and we today are going to show you how to get into your ready stance when you come to Young Titans. Now, the ready stance shows your opponent that you are ready for action, you're ready to do battle. It is also a very good defensive stance, isn't it, Ariana?
Yes.
And Ariana is one of the best at this. She is unbeatable.
Yes.
Sometimes. Here we go. Ariana is now going to show us two stances from Young Titans. First, she's going to show us the attention stance. This is the stance you're in when you're listening to instructions at Young Titans. Your feet are shoulder widths apart, your sword tip is pointing down, and your shield is by your side. We're now going to show you the ready stance. When Ariana hears the word on guard, she will move into the ready stance. On guard. There we go. Her shield leg is forwards, her sword leg is back. Her feet are not too wide apart, not too close together. The sword is pointing at the opponent and the shield is up for protection. Now her arm is slightly extended away from her body. This is because if you have it too close, you leave yourself very exposed. If you have it too far away, you're quite off balance and yes, you could fall over. There we go, Ariana is back in her ready stance. This looks amazing. Let's go! Well, there we go, guys. Ariana has shown us her ready stance. Now, Ariana, did you feel protected and also ready for action at the same time in that stance?
Yes.
That's good. Now, Ariana is going to show us how we go forwards, backwards, and side to side in our ready stance. Do you think you can do that, Ariana?
Of course.
Of course you can. Let's have a look. And here we go. Ariana is going to show us how to move forwards, backwards, and side to side in the ready stance. First, she's at attention, and on guard, she is now ready to move. First, we're going to move forwards. She's going to move her front foot, and front foot, back foot again. Now, her sword and shield are up and ready. You need to keep these in these positions even when you are moving. Going backwards, we go back foot, front foot. Now, if you're right-handed, when we move to the right, we go right foot, front foot. And one more time, right foot, front foot. And going left, we're going to go front foot and then the back foot. Here we go, front foot, back foot, and front foot, back foot. And that's how we move in our ready stance. Oh no, Ariana, don't do it again. Don't charge me! Well, there we go, guys. Ariana, the New Forest Knight, has shown us how to stand in our ready stance, how to move forwards, backwards, and side to side. Now, Ariana, with everything you've learned, are you ready to do some sparring?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Remember to like and subscribe and ding the bell. Bye.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.